Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Ritch and Lux. Today, I am gonna share with you some of my SLG collection, which I think after this unboxing will probably give me that purse piece, but this time I'm calling it SLG piece. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you my mini SLG collection. I don't think I need any SLGs for now. I feel like I have all what I need, and I think just makes life more complicated but have more things to choose from. So I mean, like, you know, day-to-day switching here and there. So I think what I got right here is more than enough, and I don't know how about you guys. So yeah, without further ado, I will show you what I currently have. So first, let's start with the first thing that I've ever purchased, which is the ever popular versatile SLG from Louis Vuitton. This is the key pouch. They also sometimes call it the key clay, and it is just so versatile, you guys. So I have my couple of keys here, and of course my cards, and this is an everyday piece. This is the most used SLG or luxury item that I have so far. I pretty much use it every day. Anywhere I go, everywhere I go, I use this. But I don't know if you could tell, there's already some kind of dents there, probably from the key. But so yeah, this is very useful, functional, and I use it pretty much every day, like a lot of us do. So that's one of my SLGs right there. And then the second thing that I've got is the mini pochette, which is also another versatile piece, which another most used piece from Louis Vuitton. You can use it as a mini purse. Sometimes I use, you know, a long chain and use it as a crossbody, and sometimes I just switch up the chain here and use it as a wristlet, like so. So, you know, you're more hands-free that way. So I put my key fob here, some more cards, my blotting paper, you know, little things that we need every day. So yeah, this is another favorite of mine as per SLGs, and very useful and functional. So love this one as well. So yeah, I got the card holder. Well, currently I have maybe 4-5 cards in here. So I love this one too, because it's so slim and thin that I can just use it and insert it any of my bags that I use. So it's easy to take out when I need to use my card. So yeah, this is also another favorite of mine. Only thing is I should take more cards out because it looks like it's getting really loose now here. Earlier when I took some cards, it was a little loose, so like falling now because I put too much card, I guess, in there. I think you can only put at least 2, but I've been putting 3, so it's a little stretched out, so I don't want to do that anymore. So yeah, I guess I'll just put 3 for now so that I do not stretch the leather further. So yeah, I love this because of the reverse monogram, and yeah, another really very functional piece. And then I got the Toiletry Pouch 19 before the price increase. So I got all of these. Well, this one is already, I think, have increased 2 times after I got it. So I got very lucky on that one, and this one as well. I think 3 weeks before the price increase, I was able to snag it because I got this for Christmas, and it was first week of January, I think, when the price increase was. So this is also very useful. When I bring my tote to work, I bring this as well. Just my little, you know, stuff, my lotion, spray, sunblock, cards, my gift cards that I got, and then the bag holder right there. I've had that for a long time, and what I love about this is it's wipeable. And one time I think one of my oil spilled in there, and I just was able to just wipe it off. So I love this one also. And this is also very versatile because a lot of people make this as a pouch, like a sling bag or a crossbody bag. So it's also very versatile. You can put the people buy the insert that has the D-rings, I believe. So this is also another nice SLG that I have. So I feel like I'm content with my SLGs right now, so I don't think I need more. So I think I'm gonna stick with this for now, especially that I got this new SLG. It's been in my closet for almost more than a month now, but I haven't really opened it yet because I wanted to share it with you guys. So hopefully this is in perfect condition, guys. And here it is. Ta-da! It's the 6 key holder. And I just got it in the neutral. I don't know what color this is. So yeah, I've been debating to get the 4 or the 3 because I don't have really many keys that I need, but a couple of YouTubers have told me that might as well just get the 6 key pouch because it's just a matter of, I don't know how much more it is than the 4 key one. So yeah, with this in my collection, added to my collection, I feel that I have all the SLG that I need so far. I think I'm content with my SLG collection and I don't think I need more as of now. But yeah, so far it's perfect, but I'm not sure if there's a little bit of creasing there. I don't know if that's what it is when you that's how it is when you open it. This one right here, I don't know if you could tell, but if you close it, it's fine. So maybe it's just naturally like that, but I'm not sure. So the reason I wanted to get this is because of the versatility of this slip here, where you can just put your driver's license or one card and then your key and then you're good to go. Off you go, you know. So yeah, I'm so happy that I got this. And so I don't think I need any more right now. I'd rather save my money for other luxury items, luxury accessories. But for now, I'm having purse keys with my SLGs. So I think I have all what I need. I have the key clay, I have a card holder, and I have, well, this is the key pouch, sorry. And this is the key holder. And then I have the mini pochette as a little catch-all. And I have the toiletry pouch. So I think I have more than enough SLGs right now. And the thing that I don't have yet is a wallet, a real wallet or a micro wallet. But so far for now, I don't think I need it. So we'll see. Maybe when we start traveling again, I might need a wallet for bills, you know, international currencies. But yeah, so far I'm good with my SLGs. So how about you guys? Do you ever feel like you want to add more or different colors or different designs or different styles of SLGs? Comment down below what you think. But for me, I think I'm good. I'm content with these, and I don't think I need to spend more on my SLGs. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the like button and subscribe, and of course the notification bell. All right, bye. Thank you. Okay, so I just took out my 2 keys from my key clay. So now I'm gonna try to add this to the new key holder. So I believe how it is I just actually YouTubed it. So what you can do is press this thing here a little bit, I believe. Let's see if you can see that. Press this, or which one? I think it's this one, and then this one slides off like so. Oh, and then actually the little key hooks also come off from the strip of metal here. So now we're gonna add the key, one key. I believe this is my door key, but I usually don't use it anymore because we have the ring. So just slide off the key like this one. So just from the there. So you just slide off the key going in like so. And then I'm gonna need my key fob. I hope that it fits in here. I have this hook previously, and then there's one. So now I'm gonna do the second key, and then I need to lock it in right away, because otherwise it's gonna slide off. The hook's gonna slide and fall off. So let's do it one more time. And then as you go, you have to push it in, otherwise it's gonna keep falling. And then let's go to the third key, I mean. Let's see, because I don't want the key fob dangling out from the, I guess it fits, because I don't want to, it's then gonna dangle a little bit, but we'll see how we can fix that. So then I'm gonna put back all the unused hooks and then push right away, so to lock it in place, because otherwise it's gonna keep sliding and falling off if we don't. There it is. Voila! So this one's still a little long. I don't want it to be dangling, but when you close it up, then it's there. Ooh, I love it. Now my keys are organized. Love, love, love. So I'll just put maybe my driver's license here, one card, and my health insurance maybe. So let's try that. I need my Costco card in there, and my driver's license. Where is it? Okay, I think, yeah, you can put 3 comfortably. I just hope it doesn't stretch out. So this is gonna be my, I can live with this actually. I have all the basics that I need here. My driver's license, my keys, my car key, my 1 credit card, and my health insurance. Perfect. So hence the purse piece. So again, thank you for watching. So now it's all complete. My car key holder or key holder, my card holder, my key clay or other, well, it's just all cards basically. Then my little mini pochette and my toiletry pouch. Love them all. And I have purse piece.